Troy-Bilt TB210. Not everyone can afford to buy the best lawnmower on the market. If you're looking for a solid alternative to the most expensive machine, the Troy-Bilt TB210 could be the answer. Although it doesn't match the leading lawnmower in the gas-powered arena, there are a lot of positive aspects to this machine. When you activate its front wheel self-propulsion system, you shouldn't have any problems pushing this lawnmower across your grass. Additionally, the 21-inch cutting path on this lawnmower is just as wide as the highest ranking models we reviewed. However, there are some trade-offs for the money you save. The most notable is the lack of a cushioned handle. The best lawnmowers we evaluated feature either a foam or rubber handle. You should keep in mind that you may rub your hands raw or even get blisters if you use this machine without wearing gloves. The clipping bag is also quite small, holding just 1.9 bushels, 2.4 cubic feet of grass. If you have a larger lawn, expect to make several stops to empty the bag.